Imagine for a moment that our brains are like a sophisticated, high-tech control room. It's the central hub where all our thoughts, feelings, and actions are managed. For most people, this control room is equipped with a highly efficient filter. This filter is excellent at prioritizing incoming information and signals. It effortlessly allows the truly important data to pass through, and just as easily, it tunes out all the distracting background noise. This ensures a clear and focused operational environment within the mind. Now, let's consider the experience for someone with ADHD. The ADHD control room is chaotic and overwhelming. It looks like it's always malfunctioning. For them, that crucial filter in the control room is wide open, without much regulation. It's akin to working in an incredibly busy office environment. Picture every single phone ringing simultaneously, creating a cacophony. Every radio in the room is tuned to a different station, blaring various sounds. And everyone present is talking at once, contributing to the overwhelming din. It's not that the individual isn't trying to listen or engage. It's simply that their brain is attempting to process every single input. All these diverse stimuli are being processed at the exact same time. This constant influx of information makes prioritizing tasks incredibly difficult. If their focus is intently on you during a conversation, and then a bird suddenly flies past the window, catching their eye, or they recall an important task from 3 days ago that needs attention, their brain immediately treats each of these new inputs as an urgent emergency. It's a relentless mental juggling act, constantly trying to manage multiple demands. Imagine trying to keep 4 balls in the air, maintaining their delicate balance. Then, without warning, someone continuously throws in a 5th ball. This makes maintaining focus and completing tasks a constant challenge. But there is a remarkable and powerful flip side to this experience: hyperfocus. When a person with ADHD discovers something they are genuinely passionate about, all the surrounding noise and distractions miraculously vanish. They can dive deep into that interest with incredible intensity and concentration. In these moments, they can be extraordinarily creative, generating novel ideas. They become exceptionally productive, achieving remarkable results. This intense, sustained focus feels very much like possessing a unique superpower. So, if I appear distracted or my attention seems to wander, a gentle reminder is incredibly helpful. It's simply how my brain is uniquely wired, and I appreciate your understanding. If you learned something today, please like and subscribe for more.